All right, let's cut the nonsense. You're here. You want to make more money. Good. That's the first step. But are you just looking for magic tricks? Shiny objects? Another guru promising you Lambos by Tuesday? Forget that noise. It's 2025 and the game has changed, but the core hustle hasn't. Too many people are consuming, endlessly scrolling through feeds. They're soaking in content, but they're not creating, they're not building, they're not actually anything that puts dollars in their pockets. It's time to flip that switch. Now, I see you. You've got ideas. You've got dreams. Maybe you've even tried a few things. Did they fail? So what? Failure is just a data point. It's a lesson. The real secret isn't some hidden website or a magic algorithm. It's about looking at the world differently. It's about seeing opportunities where others see problems, or worse, nothing at all. This isn't about finding one big score. It's about building streams. It's about consistent effort. Small wins add up, big time. The truth is, hidden money-making secrets are usually hidden in plain sight. They're disguised as hard work. They're dressed up as patience. They often look like things you might actually enjoy doing, but you've never thought of them as income generators. We're going to peel back those layers. We're going to talk about tangible strategies. Not fluff, not theory. Real-world stuff that you can start implementing today, right after you finish reading this. Get ready to shift your mindset from passive observer to active earner. So, are you ready to stop being a spectator in your own financial life? Are you ready to get your hands dirty? Good. Because the opportunities are massive, bigger than ever before, but they don't just fall into your lap. You have to chase them, you have to build them, you have to execute. This isn't about getting rich quick, this is about getting real. This is about building sustainable income by leveraging what's new, what's now, and what's next. Let's dive into the real secrets. Okay, first up, let's talk about your weird hobby, that thing you're obsessed with, the one your friends kind of make fun of you for. Maybe it's collecting vintage comic books, maybe it's competitive bird watching. Perhaps you restore old radios, or you're a savant at identifying rare houseplants. Guess what? That niche, that unique passion, is a gold mine. I'm serious. In this hyper-connected world, there are thousands, maybe millions, of people who share your exact specific interests. They're your tribe. Think about it. The internet allows for an audience for. You don't need to be famous to 1 billion people. You need to be micro-famous to 1,000 true fans. These are the people who will buy your specific ebook on caring for carnivorous plants. They'll pay for your video course on advanced Lego building techniques. They'll buy your custom-designed merch for ferret enthusiasts. It sounds niche, right? That's the entire point. Niche is where the money is. It's where the engagement is. Look at Maria. Maria loved restoring antique dolls, a very specific skill. She started a YouTube channel just showing her process, talking about the history of each doll. At first, crickets, 10 views, 20 views, but she kept going. She was passionate, she was consistent. Slowly, other antique doll lovers found her. Her subscriber count grew. Now she sells restoration kits, offers paid consultations. She makes more from her weird hobby than her old 9-to-5. This isn't a fantasy, this is happening. So what's your thing? Dig deep. What do you geek out on? Don't dismiss it because it seems too small or too strange. That's your advantage. Start creating content around it. Share your knowledge, share your passion. Use TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, a blog, a podcast, whatever fits. Build that community, serve that niche. The money will follow the eyeballs and the engagement. Stop thinking broad, think super, super specific. That's secret number 1. Secret number 2 might surprise you. It's not about the latest app or some crazy new tech. It's about old school skills. Yeah, the stuff your grandma or grandpa used to do. Think about it. Knitting, baking amazing bread, gardening, fixing things, woodworking, calligraphy, sewing. These timeless skills are in high demand. Why? Because many people have lost them. They want to learn, or they want to buy high-quality handmade products, and you can deliver that. The digital world gives these classic skills a brand new stage. You can teach knitting patterns through online workshops. You can sell your artisanal sourdough bread locally, marketed through Facebook groups and Instagram. You can create video tutorials on how to repair common household items, monetizing through ads or a Patreon. You are taking something traditional, something tangible, and giving it a modern digital twist to reach a wider audience than ever before. This is where the past meets the future of income. Consider Tom. Tom was a retired carpenter. He had a workshop full of tools and decades of experience. He thought his working days were over. His granddaughter showed him YouTube. He started making short videos. How to fix a wobbly chair, simple birdhouse plans, choosing the right sandpaper. His calm, no-nonsense approach resonated. People loved his practical advice. He now sells detailed woodworking plans online. He even does one-on-one video coaching for DIY enthusiasts. Grandma's or grandpa's goldmine indeed. So what skills do you have that people might consider old-fashioned? Can you cook a mean lasagna from scratch? Are you a whiz at mending clothes? Can you grow amazing tomatoes? Don't underestimate the value of these abilities. Package them for the digital age. Create tutorials, offer local services, sell your handmade goods online. There's a huge market craving authenticity and practical knowledge. This isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about putting that wheel on a brand new high-speed vehicle. All right, we've talked about micro niches. We've talked about monetizing old school skills. These are great starting points. They are legitimate paths to earning. But here's the twist. The real hidden secret to making money isn't the idea itself. It's not the niche. It's not the skill. Shocking, right? You were probably expecting some groundbreaking platform or a secret algorithm. Nope. The ultimate secret, the one that truly separates the earners from the yearning, is relentless, messy, consistent execution. That's it. Think about it. How many people know you can make money on YouTube? Millions. How many actually do it consistently? Far fewer. How many people have a good idea for a business? Almost everyone. How many bring that idea to life, push through the failures and adapt? A tiny fraction. The secret isn't it's the grit. It's the willingness to show up day after day, even when it's hard, even when you're not seeing immediate results. It's the hustle. The internet is littered with half-finished projects and abandoned dreams. The people who succeed, the ones unlocking these money-making secrets, are the ones who don't just start. They iterate, they learn from what's not working and double down on what is. They embrace the grind. They understand that patience is a virtue, but proactive patience, where you're constantly working and tweaking, is a superpower. The real secret sauce is your own sweat equity and your refusal to quit when things get tough. So the big reveal is this. You probably already know enough to get started. The secrets are out there. The information is abundant. The challenge isn't finding the secret, it's the secret. It's becoming the kind of person who executes relentlessly. Take these ideas, the micro-famous method, the grandma's gold mine, or any other valid strategy, and then just start small, be consistent, learn, adapt, and most importantly, execute. That's the real key to unlocking hidden money. Now go get it.